Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a image background removal editor in React.js using Imagely SDK. So this is actually the package that we are using to actually remove the background from images. So this is a single page application directly runs in the browser. The interface looks something like this. It's similar to Canva. So this is actually the full directory structure. We are using the latest version, React 19. As you can see, we are using this MediaPipe Imagely background removal package. If you're interested in this project, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. It's fully customizable. You can actually customize each and every line of code here. We are running it on localhost. So the interface looks quite simple. You actually select the image file that you want to remove the background. The image will load directly in the canvas. And now we have these brush. You can adjust the size of the brush to remove the background. So here you actually remove the background as soon as you simply select the portion, and instantly that background will be removed here. So you can just see how easy it is to remove the unwanted sections from your image, such as the background. And as soon as you do this, instantly it gets removed. You can just see here, using your mouse you basically remove the unwanted section. If you're interested in this project guys, the link is given in the description. It's a fully fledged application. It runs directly in the browser. It doesn't have a backend. So if you're interested in this project, you can purchase the full source code. You can just see here how easy it is. Just use your mouse to actually remove the back. If by mistake you actually remove the image, so now we have this restore button. So you basically click this, and here if any part of your images, you can actually use this. So you can just see how easy it is. And now you can use this one. So again use this one. And then after you done, you basically have this download image button to actually download the output image. So it's a fully fledged editor guys. It will save you a lot of time to actually remove the background from the image. We have these brush. You can adjust the size of the brush depending upon what part of the image you want to restore or erase. It's a fully fledged editor similar to Canva. You can deploy this application really simply. So you can even add more features to this application once you get the source code. The link is given in the description. It's divided into multiple components in TypeScript, as you can just see right here. It's fully customizable. We are using AI models such as ONX Runtime Web, MediaPipe, Imagely. So quite a number of libraries that we are using. So it will be a great project for you to purchase it. The link is given in the description. So here you can adjust the brush size. This is for the erase one. So you can just see how easy it is. So if you're interested, you can also zoom in with certain parts. Then we have this restore one. So if you're interested in this project, guys, the link is given in the description. It's fully coded inside React. It's a single page application for removing your background. So definitely purchase this project.